teen snack attack from the Lafayette Public Library. My name is Andrew and I'm here at the North Regional Library in Carencro. And today I'm going to show y'all how to make the perfect summer snack. It's Flamin Hot Cheeto Treats. They're like Rice Krispie treats, but without the Rice Krispies and with Flamin Hot Cheetos.
Yeah, but your scientists were so preoccupied with whether or not they could, they didn't stop to think if they should.
Okay guys, first thing you're gonna need is a 10-ounce bag of miniature marshmallows, a party-sized bag of Flamin Hot Cheetos, 3 tablespoons of butter or margarine, some spray-on cooking spray, canola oil, a good mixing spoon, a good mixing bowl, large size, and an 8x8 pan to put your treats in. First things first, we're gonna spray the pan. Next, we're gonna take the Flamin' Hot Cheetos bag and break them up. And it might take a minute or two to get all of them. Okay, that feels pretty good. I'm gonna set those aside. Then you're gonna take your 3 tablespoons of butter and put it in the mixing bowl. And then you're gonna place the mixing bowl into your microwave. And you can microwave it in 30-second increments. So start with 30 seconds. And open the microwave when it's done. Check it. If your butter's melted, you're good to go. If not, you can melt it a little bit longer. Just keep an eye on it. Okay, next. We're gonna take your 10-ounce bag of miniature marshmallows and open it. And we'll pour that into your mixing bowl. All right. And you're going to coat your marshmallows in the melted butter. Whoops. Okay, once the marshmallows are coated in the melted butter, you're gonna pop those into the microwave. And once again, we're gonna cook for 30 seconds and see how it goes. So you'll probably need about 1.5 minutes. Okay, after about 1 minute, 1.5 minutes, you can take your marshmallows out and stir them up good. And they should be melted enough where you're not seeing really any individual marshmallows. If you still are, you can put it back into the microwave and microwave it for just a few more seconds. Looks good, right like that. Okay, once you have your melted marshmallows, you're gonna take your bag of Flamin' Hot Cheetos that's already been broken up and pour it in. Okay, and then you're gonna have to mix everything together just so all the Flamin' Hot Cheetos are evenly coated with your marshmallow mixture. This is the fun part. So you're gonna mix all of your fire Cheetos together with the melted marshmallows. Looks delicious. Okay. We're almost there. And it's a little messy, but it's fun. You might want your friend or brother or sister to give you a hand with this. we're just mixing it up good. It might take a couple minutes. Once everything is mixed together and you have some fire Cheetos on your hands, you can take the mixture and push it into your bowl, into your pan. Like so. Beautiful red color right there. Okay, once it's in the dish, what I recommend doing is using a piece of wax paper. You can use your hands, but your hands are going to get really sticky. Push everything in. All right, and then you can push it down flat. Wax paper works great. Perfect. All right. There you have it, your Fire Cheetos Treats. You're gonna wanna let them sit for a little while, maybe 30 minutes to cool. And once they're cool, you can take your knife and cut them into squares. And I'm gonna go ahead and try one right now. Woo! That's delicious. Thank you guys. We'll see you next time.